Hello and welcome to the morning podcast with Savari. Here we share all the important details that you need to know before taking a trade. So let's take a quick glance at global market. The S&P 500 retreated from the nearly 6-month high in choppy trading on Friday, with the data showing a sharp slowdown in US employment growth, while the US-China tensions escalate with President Donald Trump move to ban WeChat and TikTok. Asian shares started cautiously on Monday as investors kept one eye on flaring tensions between the US and China and another eye on US fiscal stimulus after talks between White House and Democrat lawmaker broke down. Trends on SGX Nifty indicate flat opening for broader index in India with a loss of 6 points. Nifty futures were trading around 11,220 level on Singaporean exchange. On institutional front, FIIs bought shares worth rupees 397 crore while DIIs sold shares worth rupees 438 crore on August 7th on NSE exchange. Lastly, let's take a look at few stock specifics. Few stocks under FNO ban on NSE for today are Canara Bank, Century Textiles, Vodafone Idea and Vedanta. Container Corp of India's Q1 profit stands at rupees 58 crore versus 242 crore and revenue stands at rupees 1194 crore versus 1654 crore year on year. In Amar Raja Battery, the Q1 profit stands at 62 crore versus 140 crore and the revenue stands at 1151 crore versus 1815 crores year on year. The news for Vodafone Idea Bharti Airtel, the next hearing in Supreme Court for AGR issue will be held on August 10th. And lastly, the results that we are expected on August 10th are Bank of Baroda, Power Grid Corporation, Titan Company, AstraZeneca Pharma, Ujjivan Financial Services, Care Ratings, Equitas Holding, Force Motor, etc. among others. Thank you. That's all from my side. I hope you have a safe trading and stay safe during this COVID-19 period. Thank you.